Come with me on this journey to show you how to create this epic masking transition. Set your camera, filming the laptop with the clip playing. Then slowly close your lid of the laptop, but make sure that the lid is covering all our frame. Now let's open up DaVinci Resolve. This is the clip that we shot earlier. So select the clip and let's customize it. We need to zoom a little bit to fill the edges of the frame and change the X so it's gonna be in the center. Next thing, we need to slide the playhead to find the point where the lid is starting to close. Right click and press New Fusion Clip. Navigate to the Fusion panel, and over here we need to scroll and to find the point where the lid is starting to close. So somewhere around here, maybe a little bit, couple of frames forward or backwards, but roughly here. Next thing is to press on this icon, polygon, and select the invert. Now it's the fun part. Let's go a couple of frames forward where we have the background, and let's draw a straight line on the lid. Now we need to close it. Let's go unzoom a little bit and draw around our frame, something like this, and now close it. Let's scroll a couple of frames forward, and now we need to select the bottom edges like this and drag them down to touch the lid. Let's repeat this process all the way down until the laptop is fully closed. I will speed it up so you don't need to wait. Let's do it backwards. We need to scroll through the timeline and go up until the laptop is fully open. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, because you don't want to miss another awesome DaVinci tutorial. When this is done, you can scroll through the timeline, or you can use the arrow keys just to make sure that we nail the mask on. There's no empty space between the lid and our mask. If it doesn't match, make the adjustments. Now navigate to settings and check the motion blur. Bump it up all the way to 10. Once this is done, we need to go to the edit page and insert our footage that we want to transition in. The next step is to go to the effects and search for lens blur. After you found it, just simply drag it and drop it to our footage. And this is very important. Go with the playhead where the transition will start and put 10 and add a keyframe. Now let's go a couple of frames forward after the transition will finish and add one more keyframe. This time should be 0. Let's check one more time to make sure that our lens blur is working. Slowly it's going from 10 back to 0 to reveal the shot. And let's preview it now in the full screen.